Hi, welcome to another episode of my channel. Today we are going from Ventura to Paso Robles, and it's going to take a very long time, like I think 3.5 hours of riding, and with me I'm super slow, so maybe 5 hours. Say that again. One more time.
If you want a rich boyfriend, this is the place to come.
So cool.
Yeah, it used to just be an old motorcycle, and then it became kind of retro cool. So it's
How old is this?
It's an 82. The motor is now an 81.
Wow.
And even it's leaking some oil.
It's amazing.
I changed the motor out a few years ago.
You ride it often?
Almost every day.
Every day?
I hardly drive my car if it's pouring rain, freezing cold, or I'm on a trip.
Easy to get in and out.
Yeah, it's small.
Is it small?
200 cc's, smaller than hers. 200 cc's. It's legal to drive on the freeway, but
Is it legal on the freeway?
yeah, you need.
What's the
you
minimum?
Need 150. You need
150?
15 horsepower. You need.
Okay.
Here I am, the king of the Santa Barbara Hells Angels. And Jeanette's gonna go for a ride.
It's warm. It's warm?
Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
and off we go. Ledbetter Point, Ledbetter Beach, the Channel Islands, Anacapa, Santa Cruz. Down there is Ventura, and the mountains, the coastal range, the American Riviera. You're in Santa Barbara, California.
So the plan is I need to run some errands first, which I have to... What do I have to do? I have to go to pump petrol so that I have enough for the trip. After that, I need to pay for my SIM card over here. I found out I couldn't pay for it online because I need a US bank account or something like this. Then I'm going to stop at Solvang, which is a Dutch, I don't know, a Dutch town over here. Then after that, Pismo Beach, and then Paso Robles, which is the farm that I'm going to stay on for 6 days. Right now I have the monumental task of putting all of my luggage on my bike. I've done it before from Los Angeles to Ventura, which is over here where I'm at. Let me show you. And I took, I think, 2 to 3 hours of packing. Now, hopefully, I'm a little bit better. I can pack a bit faster. Just now, I spent, I think, 1 hour getting all of my stuff into the bags, which I'll show you. Now, let's see how long I'll take to get the bags onto my bike, which is over here. This is the part where I hate the most. I'm going to show you the bags right now. So here are the bags. They have to get on the bike. Okay, so I'm going to set up the camera and we'll see how long I take to do this. Okay, so I'm almost done packing. I just left my helmet, my gloves, my earplugs, my head cloth. Okay, so this is how the final product looks like. Okay, so let me just go through what I have. I have a tank bag, something that's easy accessible for me, where I can put some change, my sunglasses, and maybe my phone. Yeah. Then we have my Mosko moto luggage system. So I have 2 side bags. I can't remember how many liters they are, but in total the 2 side bags plus the top bag, which is this one over here, is 80 liters. And I have 2 external pocket bags, which is this, of 4 liters each. I also have a 10 pole bag, this one over here. So that is a total of 88 liters on my Mosko moto system, which is the grey system here. I also purchased a tail bag from Cycle Gear, which is the Oxford T40R luggage bag, and this is it. So a total of 128 liters. I know it looks like a lot, but guess the weight. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to guess the weight, and I'll tell you soon what it is. So the total weight is, I think, 30 to 35 kg, which isn't too bad. That's like the weight of a small child, a 9-year-old, a 10-year-old. Yeah, but it is scary. When I look at it the first time, I was very, very scared of, I don't know, riding with it, and now I'm scared again. Because I have such a long way to go and with so many things. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put on the rest of my gear, my helmet, and I'm gonna start my day, my ride to Paso Robles. Okay? See you soon. This is nice. It's a bit, it is dry, but okay, I didn't even want to come on a mountain pass. No, I mean, why am I? Oh, I'm at Los Padres National Forest. I didn't know that. Oh God. Hi, Tavern. I'm scared. Interesting car. Bike rental, royals, wine and chocolate. What is this? Valley Hardware Garden Center. It looks too misty. I don't know what's happening. Is it raining? I have no clue. Something is going on here. Okay, well, I'm reaching Pismo Beach in 2 minutes, but the weather looks, I don't know, just the sky looks strange. What is happening in front? This does not look like a normal beach. It looks a bit ghostly. Very interesting. Super misty. Is it because we're at a high elevation? I have no idea, but it's really beautiful. Interesting town. Is Pismo Beach a beach, or is Pismo Beach the town? No idea. But it's very nice. It's very cold here. The weather can change so quickly. It was so hot in Ventura, and now it's freezing. I mean, from here to Ventura is only 2 hours away. It's crazy. Wow. This is really fun. But why is it so misty? I'm gonna find out the elevation later and guess you'll see on the left side of your screen. It's like we're driving through clouds. It's really nice. Wow. And I think it's wine country. I think those are the grapevines, if I'm not wrong. It's a change of scenery. Interesting. I'll be reaching the farm soon in 16 minutes. It's nice here. It's not too cold. Oh, look at my shadow. So nice. I saw something ran across. Oh. Bunny! Oh my god! Dog and bunny! Oh no, okay, I don't like the dog. But oh my god, there was a bunny! Okay, oh wow. And now I'm lost. So we are here. And where do I go?
You have arrived.
I've arrived. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Okay, let's just park here. Uh-oh. Oh, I hope I have internet. Like, which one? It's just farms everywhere. I mean, I'm at Reinhardt Road. Oh, we're in trouble. Okay, I'm just gonna park first. 4% shits. Oh, 3%, I'm dead. Oh, sorry.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I'm kind of lost.
Oh, honey, I bet.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to... Okay. Somewhere on Reinhardt.
Reinhardt.
Which is here, but
Who do you want to go to?
to meet this guy on his farm, but I'm not sure where it is. Okay, sorry. Hold on. I'm not sure if I have internet.
Oh, you're not going to have cell. I'll put you on mine because you're not up there.
Oh
But
no.
this is Reinhardt.
This is Reinhardt. But who stays here? Where is...
Well, is it a family? Is it?
It's a guy who owns a farm here. Oh no.
Now, you know his name?
Mark.
Mark. Follow me.
You know where it is? Okay.
Follow
Um.
my car, and then I'll bring you right back so I can make sure he's there.
Okay. I need to arrange this for 1 minute.
Let me go. Shit.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Do you think you could call Mark and ask him to come get me?
I don't have my cell with me.
Oh.
Now listen. Let me.
Can you drive over to Mark?
I'm gonna go right now, and I'll come back.
Yes, thank you so much. Sorry?
Waiting is right there. Can you go on your motorcycle right
Yes. Okay. All right. Turn. Okay.
I'm gonna point you into the driveway so I don't have to go in.
All right. Got it. So I got a U-turn. Okay.
Right around the corner.
All right. Thank you. I got lost.
I figured, you probably would. It's hard to find.
I know. I went all the way in front.
Yeah, this place is not easy to find.
Oh,
Look at you, man. You're all,
I
geared
know.
up.
This is crazy. Okay.
Thanks, Judy. Anyway,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy I met her.
Yeah, she's great. Oh, she's a good neighbor. Yeah, I love her. All right, look at you, man. You're a wild girl driving all this
I
way with all
know.
this stuff. Man. Well, are you hungry?
I am.
Because before you get all undone, we can go out. Some neighbors are cooking some food for us and stuff.
Okay, let's do that.
that?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.